जब आप गरीब होते हो तो आपके पेरेंट्स कहते हैं पैसों में कुछ नहीं रखा. It's all about enjoying the little moments. But if you have money and if you're famous, oh my god, the kind of respect you get. 15, 16 is when I figured people were looking at me differently and I was like, अब तो मैं हीरोइन बन सकती हूँ, मैं अच्छी दिखती हूँ. And at the age of 17, I was making 50,000 a month doing a television show.
And here you are, who was able to build a multi-million-dollar business with just posting videos on Instagram. And I don't think I've ever heard a story like that.
Really? And it's all women business.
On today's episode of 1% Life, we have Parul Gulati, who is the founder of Niche Hair. In addition to that, Parul is a successful actor as well. She has raised 1 crore for 2% of her company on Shark Tank. And after that, Niche Hair's revenue has 3x'd. I hope you will enjoy this one. On today's episode, we have someone really special. It is not an actor, it is not an influencer, it is not an entrepreneur. It is a combination of all of these three things, if it was possible. It is none other than Miss Parul Gulati. Parul, thank you so much for being on the show.
Thank you. That was such a sweet intro.
Yeah, I was just
Thank
working on
you.
it before you came.
That was very sweet. I loved it. Thank you.
You're an actor, you're an entrepreneur, you went on Shark Tank, you raised crores, and everything is looking good. But to better appreciate who you are, I think it's important to go back to your roots.
Yeah.
Right? Now, I did a little bit of studying, and you come from a lower middle class background in a place called Rohtak in Haryana. Is that right?
Rohtak.
Rohtak in Haryana. So, can you tell me a little bit about what is your early relationship with money coming from that sort of a background?
It initially didn't matter because जब आप गरीब होते हो तो आपके पेरेंट्स कहते हैं पैसों में कुछ नहीं रखा. It's all about just enjoying the little moments or little things. But eventually I did realize if you have money and if you're famous, oh my god, the kind of respect you get.
Yeah, when
the
did you
way
realize
people
this?
look at you. I think 15, 16 is when I figured, when puberty had hit me and people were looking at me differently and I was like, अब तो मैं हीरोइन बन सकती हूँ, मैं अच्छी दिखती हूँ. So that thought slipped into my mind and I became an actor.
Yeah.
So I never had money and cut to at the age of 17 when people are thinking what to do. Like how you would save money, I didn't have that much brains. I saved very little to do a portfolio shoot. That was my plan. I had saved up 12,000 or something. Even I won't spend so much. So at 17, I started making money. So when I think about money, I don't even have many days when I was crying that I don't have enough money. So whenever I had, I was like, this is more than what I wanted.
Yeah.
I've always had those days. So at the age of 17, I was making 50,000 a month doing a television show, which is actually really less because you work 13 hours a day.
Okay. But at the age of 17, I mean, people are still studying at that time.
Yeah. I was making more than my father. So मतलब मुझे तो लगा I won in life. Again, I'm the person who's glass half full. I never looked at a day कि पैसे कम है, oh shit.
But why do you still want to be an actor, right? Because I'm sure as being an entrepreneur, you can make far more money than being an actor. But at least the top 20 actors, the mega superstars of the country, they make a lot more money. But if you look at, on an average, entrepreneurs make a lot more money than an average actor. So why do you still want to be an actor?
I probably still make 5% of my income is from acting. 95 is from my business or creating content on Instagram. It's just बचपन से सपना है यार हीरोइन बनना है. सो अब सपने का क्या करूं? I get that happiness, the craft. I love that. I love being in front of camera. I love channeling a different character, being something, working on voice. Just I grew up watching movies, man.
All the sales or most of the sales of your company is driven by that video that you post every day in the morning, and every day you post a video.
Yes.
Right? And you don't run any ads. I mean, until now, you've not run any
January is when we started
January
having
when you
marketing ka budget. उससे पहले we didn't have marketing budget.
Almost 6.5 years, you didn't run any ads. It was just you posting a video every single day.
Yes, we had performance marketing on Google only.
Got it.
Which was also, if I tell you the number, we were spending 1 lakh a month
Wow.
against the sales that I'm doing. I told you.
I mean, I know the numbers. Do you want to share it, or are you allowed?
Should I? I don't know.
You don't know?
I really don't know. Should I right now? Let me reach the 100 crore club.
100
then
crore.
I'll talk on one person club.
But I know you're definitely. I mean, if we can't share the real numbers, I know it's in the multi-million-dollar range in terms of revenues, and you did all of that without running ads. I mean, almost all the startups of this country spends thousands of crores on performance marketing on Instagram and YouTube and Google and whatnot, and here you are, who did all of that. I mean, was able to build a multi-million-dollar business with just posting videos on Instagram. And I don't think I've ever heard a story like that.
Really?
Yeah, there's no
And
other
it's all
story.
women business, which
all-
I was discussing with a friend of mine who works in Shark Tank. He was telling me that I don't know at this number of turnover any only woman run business where only women are there.
Right.
In, yeah, employees. We have all 36 women.
Wow.
I have people I know they'll give their left kidney to make Nishar work. So that's very important for me. So ye 36 people, if they are doing a work of 90 people without cribbing, is because they genuinely love what they are doing.
Makes sense that
Yeah.
values are also important in a work culture.
Very.
Coming back to your personal finances, how much salary you're paying to yourself? How is that? How is your acting income coming in? How is that invested in the markets, mutual funds, real estate? Walk me through that.
For that, I have a financial advice. I sit with them. I tell them, tell me, let's say there's an X amount I want to put. It's excess in my bank account line. What do I do? So they'll tell me something about small caps. They'll tell me about, let's put it in market or whatever. I experiment on zero dha a little. I kite pay, I play a little.
Oh, you trade also.
बहुत थोड़ा जो मुझे समझ आता है जितना. I'll show you my portfolio. I had put only 5 lakhs. It's right now 13 lakhs.
Wow.
Yes, I think close to that, maybe
What,
more.
in one stock?
No, multiple छोटे stocks. एक ही लिया है मैंने, वो कभी नहीं. I buy it for 1,000-2,000 के. I don't understand, so I don't take big risk there.
In your personal finances, like, have you made any real estate investments, mutual fund
I
investments?
did, yes.
How is that like?
Uh,
Do you own a house?
yes, I bought in Goa. उसको मैं Airbnb पे डालूंगी. घर से पैसा कमाऊंगी.
You bought it by yourself?
Yes.
You took a loan?
No, luckily, because this is pretty cool. You should check it out. So there are several houses which are getting made. So you invest initially, then you pay only 5%. Then every month, when they are, let's say, building just the first floor, you pay 25%. Then when they are doing interiors, you pay 25%. They'll give you a full villa with a pool in Goa. It's a like row villas, really pretty villas.
Which part of Goa?
Nerul. There's an area in
And you're
Goa
giving
as
it
well.
for Airbnb?
It's getting ready. This December it'll be ready. Only my last tranche is left. I just have to pay 25 lakhs more. House is mine. I didn't take loan. I didn't even have to.
Wow. And what is the rental yield?
As in?
Rent kitna milte hai?
Oh, Airbnb mein, that Airbnb I can make per day 40,000 because it's a 2 BHK.
Okay.
It's very beautiful villa.
Wow.
And interiors, and I'm going to call it Malkin's house. So. And usko bhi main promote karungi.
And I'll also use it.
Please come
Mujhe
whenever.
free for
Please,
me.
whenever.
So you started Niche Hair in 2017, right? And fast forward to today, it's a multi-million-dollar business 7 years later. But tell me about that first year, right? The first year of starting a business. Just walk me through how it was.
First few, I just had the name very clear that it will be Niche Hair. Then it was very clear, let's buy a domain name, इससे पहले कोई ले ले, और Instagram name. ये 3 चीजें थी और मेरे पास कुछ नहीं था. कुछ बाल भी नहीं थे तब तक. नाम था. I figured out how to get raw material. Then my mama had a sewing machine. We stitched something. And I was constantly shooting those days or going for auditions. And just because I've gone for like Sunsilk auditions, so I was like, क्या मैं extensions लगा के दे सकती हूँ? And everyone will look at me and they're like, I'm like, oh yeah, I make it and this and that, and then all these. And those days audition rooms were filled with people. Like there were so many girls, and so many girls are now so popular, I know. So I would just be like, and they're like, can I touch it? I'm like, yeah, this, that. So this is all that I did. एक sale नहीं हुई थी मेरी 3 महीने में. एक दोस्त ने किसी को बोला that, you know, because actually hair extensions are very expensive. So I was making same piece that you get for 30,000. I was making it for 8,000-9,000.
Okay.
And I still have range which is 9,000-10,000, but that's the starting if you want a full head of hair.
Yeah.
Okay, so I started making something that was affordable, but it took so much time telling people this is not an entire wig. When people think of hair extensions, they think of it as a wig.
Wearing a wig usually has a taboo associated with it, right? That an extension is something which is unknown for most people.
Yeah. So that's what I wanted. I thought कि industry में सब पहनते हैं. All actresses wear it.
Really?
Yeah, every actress wears it. मतलब don't you realize when you see actresses कभी अचानक से छोटे बाल होते हैं real में, but movie में लंबे बाल हैं. Promotion के time लंबे हैं, but दिन में छोटे हैं.
I didn't notice.
It's okay. We girls notice. But actresses wear it, so I thought I'll only make it for the industry. I didn't even think of the larger
picture
कि it can. I thought कि industry में सब पहनेंगे तो हो ही जाएगा ना.
इतना बड़ा business नहीं होगा.
वो भी नहीं सोचा. दिमाग नहीं चला इतना.
You didn't have any business partner or advisor to help you during the early years of business? No?
Few friends who would tell me that register the name, कोई ले ना ले. Someone said GST number apply करना पड़ेगा. Somebody said apply for this thing, that thing, legal things.
Correct.
Nishher का separate bank account बना लो.
Correct.
Don't take it in your this thing. These things, few friends इधर उधर मैं सबको बताती थी because जिसको बताना है ना, जो मिल जाए free में सबको marketing करना है. Any person who will sit, I'll just randomly start talking about hair. It took 1 year, and then I remember by then I had done sales of 30,000-40,000 rupees only in a first year. Then,
first year 40,000 in sales.
Yeah. बहुत कम. मतलब 4 pieces बिके थे, 3-4 pieces. वो भी मतलब दोस्तों को. And अगर Instagram,
like door to door selling, you go to somebody and explain the product and sell it to them.
I went to people's houses also in town.
Wow.
Where people won't want to come.
Town means South Bombay.
South Bombay, sorry. Yes. So they would DM कि हमें चाहिए. So I'm like, can I come and give you the trial? Because तभी I was like, how does that matter? Product बिकना चाहिए. I don't care. मैं लोगों के घर जाती थी, उन्हें मैच करती थी, फिर मैं बताती थी. There was one woman I remember I had been to her house thrice. She would want to change the color, then she was buying every time new pieces. I was like, this is sale, my point of sales.
Yeah.
How can I leave this? Because I knew I'm making it for an X amount. I'm selling it for this X amount. Profit तो पूरा है, because marketing नहीं है, website का कुछ cost नहीं है, खुद से बनाई है website.
You did the website yourself?
मैंने Wix पे बनाई थी शुरू में, तो बहुत
How did you
easy
learn?
था.
Easy था?
Watching the videos, how you watch the videos and learned everything, how to make a YouTube video. I learned how to make a website through YouTube videos.
Wow, nice.
Yeah.
And then you did the website, and
then I sold whatever little pieces. A friend of mine, she actually kind of consults people or kind of guides CEOs, founders. She lives in Algeria, very good friend of mine, Shiraz. So she was telling me, why don't you do exhibitions? That time this Lil Flea was happening, which is actually happening today also.
BKC.
Yeah. I put up a booth. It costed me around 80,000 for 3 days.
Wow. You had that money?
एक्टिंग का पैसा लगा दिया, क्या जाता है, लगा दो पैसा, कुछ तो लगाना. मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट तो था ही नहीं कुछ शुरू में. पैकेजिंग जो थोड़ा सा किया था, बट आई मेड 100 बॉक्सेस जो 2 साल लगे खाली करने में मुझे. ओनली द आउटसाइड पैकेजिंग.
ओके.
बहुत मिनिमल रखा था मैंने सब कुछ. बाल बस अच्छी क्वालिटी के होने चाहिए थे. दैट वाज वेरी वेरी क्लियर इन माय माइंड. सो वी डिड अ पॉप अप देयर, एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड माय फ्रेंड टोल्ड मी that I should put up a booth, and I stood outside literally. I'm gonna again remove it, sorry. This is what I do. So if you're passing by now, अब वो booth अंदर है, ऐसे लेने हैं, how would you see यहाँ क्या है, right? I've paid 80,000. I need to recover it all. So I would literally, if this is my booth, I'll stand outside. Hey, do you want to try hair extensions? Come, try it. Just try it. Don't buy it. Come try it. You'll love it. Take a photo. Fool your friends. I would make them try bangs. I'd be like, put it in your friends group. Put it on Facebook. That time Facebook was still it thing. So I was like, put it on your Facebook. Tell your friends about it. So I would literally reel people in saying this is an experience, because I realized everyone had put up a booth. They were just standing. But अब आप कस्टमर हो, आप देखोगे, but how would they know what is hair extensions? It's such a new thing. So I would reel people in for saying just see the product. I don't even care if you buy or not buy. बस देख के जाओ, लगा के फोटो लेके जाओ. Next day, 10 people returned who wore the products, took the pictures, brought their friends, family, somebody कि यहाँ try करते हैं. So in 2 days, I did 1 lakh rupees, and I was like, shit, I did it. I'm in a right business.
Really, really wonderful conversation, and thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you so much for
I'm
having
sure there's a lot of learnings for the audience over here.
I really hope so.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next one.